We're here in Irvine next to Orange County Airport. This is a really cool Marriott. We're here at the Residence Inn. It's a Marriott. It's a 2-bedroom suite. We're getting some work done in our place, so we thought we chill over here. You got a full-size washing machine. You got your coffees, full sink, toasters, and dishes. And if you look under here, I'm sure they have silverware, can opener, nice table. Ooh, this is a nice bathroom. Comes with shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And it's all Paul Mitchell stuff. This is a nice area. Wow, nice sunset. And this one is a bathtub. This is Boudin's of San Francisco. It's right next to the Marriott. This is where we got our first meal. And this is their menu. They have a lot of sandwiches, soups in a bowl. And this is what it looks like on the inside. It was pretty tasty, the clam chowder. So we got some clam chowder, basil soup, a turkey sandwich, and a grilled cheese with short rib. Yum, that was delicious. That also comes with a salad. Oh, look at those tomatoes that Dave's gonna take off. The soup were delicious, especially the clam chowder. This is where they sell stuff for the room. It's like a mini grocery store or mini market. They have chips, they have candy bars, they have ice cream, and here are all the prices. And every morning from 6:30 to 9:30, Monday through Friday, they do have a free breakfast buffet, as well as on the weekend, starting at 7 to 11. They had make your own waffles. That was so good. Dave had a waffle. And if you need help, there's people around there to help you make the waffles too. Scrambled eggs, sausage patties, and that was a croissant sandwich and quiche. The sandwich, yum. They have milk, chocolate milk, yogurt. They have a lot of stuff at this buffet. And here's your salad. They have mushrooms, spinach, tomatoes. They also have hard-boiled eggs. And they have miso soup, you guys, which I tried. It was delicious. Could have used some tofu and stuff in it, but the base itself is good. They have rice if you want to make rice and miso soup. Yeah. And I think this was Dave's favorite, oatmeal. I don't know why, but the oatmeal was excellent.
That's okay.
Here are some toppings and some salsa for the eggs. Cheese. Sauces were pretty good with the scrambled eggs. And if you're looking for toppings for your oatmeal, bagels, English muffin, toast. There's the toaster. They also have cereal. And these are the toppings for your oatmeal. They have banana, coconut chips, chocolate chips, brown sugar. Everything you can think of that you'd want for your oatmeal is over here. So not a bad buffet, considering it comes with the hotel, right?
So I opted for the Belgian waffle that you make yourself. We got a nice sausage patty, some scrambled eggs, then a breakfast sandwich with some ham, cheese, egg, and a croissant. And then some oatmeal. They did have some like miso soup and some rice, which I opted out for. I think this is a large enough breakfast, but I did want to come up here for an early breakfast. There's a handful of people, maybe like 15 people. Asked for help to make the Belgian waffle because it was a little difficult. I didn't do it properly the first time. I had to toss the first one away. But they do have a cereal up there, milk, and syrup. Pretty decent breakfast for all you can eat for part of the hotel. It's pretty nice. All right, guys, so I'm going to eat this up and it's part of the show here, so enjoy. So at the point that I was looking to eat, I couldn't find any salt or pepper, and there wasn't anybody really around that I didn't want to bother. So actually I found that they have a little bit of cheese and some salsa. So we got the verde and roja, and some brown sugar, milk, and oatmeal. And the oatmeal looked terrific. Food looks pretty damn good here, so here we go. I'm gonna eat it up, and it's every day for free. So as far as a free all-you-can-eat buffet, breakfast buffet, I have to give that like a 9 out of 10 because the food was really good. I came down here at 6:30 right when they opened. There was actually a lot of people that came down here, and they have coffee, and I think they had juice, but they had oatmeal that was really good, and the scrambled eggs, a sausage, something that I kind of have a 50-50 toss at as being good is sausage patties or links or whatnot. Wasn't a fan of that, but their breakfast sandwich was a croissant breakfast sandwich with ham, layered ham and eggs and cheese was really delicious actually. And then their waffle, I would suggest getting a little help unless you can follow directions really well. I did not the first time. They had to come out here before I burned the place down. Pretty good. They had a miso soup and some rice and stuff. I didn't partake in that, but I'm sure it was probably just as good. Everything was delicious today. So, hey, for a free all-you-can-eat buffet breakfast, yeah, check it out. It's pretty good. Kathy was not willing to wake up at 6:30. I don't know what it's going to be like at 7:30 or 8:30. I think I'm going to try it like a couple days in a row, an hour later, and see if it like deteriorates and gets a little more untrustworthy. We'll see.
So normally the breakfast is sausage, you get egg, but yesterday we saw Jose, and he works here, and we said, how come no bacon? He says, bacon's usually on the weekends. But he said there's bacon in the back, and he saved this for us today. Wasn't that amazing?
He's super cool.
So they also have juices. You get coffee, unlimited coffee. They have quiche. They don't have the sandwich today, God, but I did get myself some bagel and cream cheese. And for later, I got jelly and peanut butter.
Jose even remembered my name. I came down as the first person, one of the first people out here at 6:30 in the morning. And I wasn't happy with the sausage. So I'm like, no bacon? He's like, no, we only got. And he literally the next day brought me out this plate of bacon.
He said he saved it for us.
Wow, that is so incredible, cool customer service. I mean, that is awesome.
So, this is all you can eat.
Kathy has a little quiche, a little bit of scrambled eggs, and she's gonna try herself a sausage. I'm gonna have a plate of bacon.
All right.
Sure.
All right.
We're
Let's
gonna
eat.
put my yesterday's experience together with Kathy's today's experience.
And it's a little after 8, and you don't have to get here at 6:30, you guys.
No.
They just put out fresh eggs, they put out fresh
I was going to
sausage.
do a little comparison, like 6:30 in the morning versus 8:30 in the morning. What's the difference? Not much. The only difference I did see yesterday on my breakfast sandwich, it
It was a
had ham
croissant
on it.
sandwich, and today is
today's English muffin.
so.
But no meat.
but bacon.
Lots of bacon. I'm gonna go.
And for those who want to work out, they do have a little gym that's open 24 hours. Everything you need. They have bikes, they have treadmills, they have free weights, they have medicine balls. It is small, but it gets the job done, you guys. And water, of course, if you need it, and they do have towels in there. And that's their swimming pool. It's a good-sized swimming pool. They do have a lot of seating out there, and they do have a barbecue. And I guess you could use that barbecue whenever you wanted. So that's also a bonus, right? So we did Marugami Udon, which is about 1.2 miles away from the hotel. They make their udon fresh every day. Check it out, they're making the noodles right now. Oh, it was so delicious, you guys. So they make you when you get there. Those tempura flakes, free. Green onions, free. That's tonkatsu udon. That was delicious base. That was karaoke and shrimp tempura. The shrimp tempura was amazing. It was so good. So at the kaki udon, Dave had the curry udon. Wow. Yummy, yummy. We also did Jollibees. Jollibees, I think it's 1.5 miles from the hotel. So spicy chicken, adobe rice, and I get white rice. And look at this, you guys.
Pour some on here too.
Oh.
SoCal.
And the adobe rice is a $1.50 add-on, but oh, it looks so good. This chicken smells delicious. This is Kokuichi Bando, one of our favorite curry houses in America and in Japan. That's a kid's meal. That's $3.50, and you get a little bit of curry rice. That was Dave's curry with tonkatsu and egg. Really good stuff, you guys. Our last meal of the trip was at Crave, which is right next door to the hotel. That is a chicken katsu sandwich with sweet potato fries. Delicious. I got the shroom burger, which was also good. But Dave's OG burger was so good with onion rings, bacon, cheddar cheese. This is our staycation in Irvine, California. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe.